Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. It's basically a box, but inside the box, I am going to have a set of ceramic vases. So I'll show you guys here as I open it up and then I'll take them out. So this is what you get here. So this is the set of 12 of those and each one is different. So I'm gonna take out and show you guys each one of them. We'll go here, this is it here, and you can see it's like a ceramic vase and it's a little bit rough texture on the outside. If you wanted to do like a painting party or something like that and have people paint vases, they could come and paint these ones here. This would probably soak up the paint really good, especially some sort of watercolor-ish paint. But then it's got the little place there for the water and you can have your flower in it. So this is one of the styles. This one here looks like one of the bigger ones and wider ones. And then we did those two. Here we have this one here, which has got a unique shape to it. Another one here like that. We'll go through. They're in here really good, so it's really nice. So they are going to come packed right. That one's like a milk jug looking style. This one here's another milk jug looking style here with the little rounded top. There's another thin topped one with a cool pattern. This one, oh, I like this one. I like the pattern on this one here. It's got a really cool pattern to it. Oh, look at that. It's got like a heart if you look at it at that direction, but it's round otherwise. Very cool. Oh, this one here is a really big one here. So if you have some big flowers you want to put in there. Oh, nice little thin, tall one. And the last one here is a genie in the bottle-ish looking one. So these are all of them and they are all nice and ceramic. And they're great, they're cute, they're really good, and they come packed super well. Look at that, it came packed so nice. It has this foam on top. So great set, totally awesome. Thumbs up.